Welcome back to the channel. Today, we are discussing the shocking truth about long working hours and what it does to your health and well-being. We all know that feeling of clocking in those extra hours, pushing through deadlines, and maybe even bragging a little about how busy we are. But what if I told you that those long hours could be doing more than just making you tired? What if they were actually changing the structure of your brain? New research has dropped a pretty significant bombshell. Scientists have found a potential link between consistently working more than 52 hours a week and actual alterations in the very fabric of your brain. Let that sink in for a moment. This groundbreaking study, published in the respected journal Occupational and Environmental Medicine, focused on a group often under immense pressure: healthcare workers. Researchers tracked 110 individuals, comparing the brains of those regularly working over 52 hours a week with those working standard hours. And the findings? Well, they were pretty eye-opening. Using sophisticated MRI scans, the researchers discovered significant changes in brain regions associated with executive function and emotional regulation in the overworked group. Now, what does that actually mean for you? Think about your executive functions. These are your brain's command center, responsible for problem solving, planning your day, making decisions, and staying organized. The study suggests that overworking could actually impact the structure of the brain regions that power these crucial abilities. Imagine trying to navigate a complex project or make a critical decision when the very hardware responsible is showing signs of change. But it doesn't stop there. The researchers also found effects on areas involved in emotional regulation. This is how you manage your feelings, cope with stress, and maintain your emotional balance. If these areas are affected, it could potentially make you more susceptible to mood swings, anxiety, and difficulty handling pressure, further compounding the negative effects of overwork on your mental well-being. It's important to note that the individuals working longer hours in this study were actually younger, had less work experience, and were more highly educated. This suggests that the risks associated with overwork aren't limited to any specific demographic or career stage. These findings are significant because they provide a biological basis for the cognitive and emotional difficulties often reported by individuals who consistently work long hours. The brain is a dynamic organ, and chronic stress and overstimulation can lead to structural adaptations. While more research is needed to fully understand long-term consequences, this study underscores the importance of prioritizing work-life balance. The researchers themselves emphasize the urgent need to address overwork as a serious occupational health concern. They're calling for workplace policies that actively work to reduce excessive working hours. And it's not just the researchers raising the alarm. Quote, Ruth Wilkinson from the Institution of Occupational Safety and Health rightly points out that we're facing an epidemic of long working hours. They highlights the often invisible pressures of modern work, the small print that includes the expectation of constant availability in this digital age, stripping us of our right to disconnect. These statistics paint a stark picture. We're a society that often glorifies busyness and blurs the lines between our professional and personal lives. But this finding suggests that this culture of overwork could be coming at a significant cost to our cognitive function and emotional resilience. So, what can we take away from this? This isn't about demonizing hard work or ambition. It's about understanding the potential biological consequences of consistently pushing ourselves beyond a certain limit. It's about recognizing that our brains, just like our bodies, need rest and recovery. Here are a few things to consider. 1. Be mindful of your working hours. Track your time and be honest with yourself about how much you're truly working. 2. Prioritize breaks and downtime. Step away from your work regularly, even for short periods. 3. Establish boundaries. Try to disconnect from work outside of your agreed hours. This might mean turning off notifications or resisting the urge to check emails late at night. 4. Advocate for healthier work cultures. If you're in a position to influence workplace policies, consider the impact of long hours on employee well-being. 5. Listen to your body and mind. Pay attention to signs of burnout and stress. Don't ignore them. This findings is a crucial reminder that our well-being isn't just about physical health. It's deeply intertwined with our cognitive and emotional health. And our working habits play a significant role in shaping that. Let's start having more open conversations about the importance of sustainable work practices and protecting our most valuable asset, our brains. What are your thoughts on these findings? How do you manage your working hours? Share your experiences and tips in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more insights into the amazing world of your brain.